Hey, real talk, the first time I fired up the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro, I didn't get impressed by numbers. I just felt how effortless everything became. This is for the kind of person who's tired of hunching over an old machine that hesitates, stutters, or makes you close tabs you don't want to close. You care about performance you actually notice, not just specs on a page, but how every move, click, game launch, and task feels smooth instead of taxing. Before anything else, take a quick moment and check the current price in stock. Builds in this range don't sit forever, and missing the right moment always feels worse later. You probably remember when your old system started fighting back. It wasn't one big moment, it was a series of tiny frustrations piling up. A game that took forever to load. A stream that hiccuped. A task that slowed your flow. That's the kind of thing you feel, and eventually you realize, you've outgrown that experience. Once you switch to this, that tension releases almost right away. You stop anticipating slowdowns. You stop tiptoeing around too many tabs. You stop lowering graphics settings just to keep things playable. It's not dramatic, it's just consistent. And that kind of smoothness becomes something you don't want to go without. In real life, gaming, creative tasks, everyday multitasking, everything feels steadier. Gaming doesn't feel like a negotiation. Creative workflows open without hesitation. Even casual browsing feels snappy because the machine stays out of your way. You feel the performance in how responsive it stays even when you stack multiple things at once. This isn't about the numbers anymore. You experience this through your actual use, how quickly things react, how rarely you see delays, how the system stays calm instead of overwhelmed. Once you live with that level of reliability, anything slower starts to feel like a chore. If you're thinking about it, don't wait around for strange price shifts or stock gaps to decide for you. Those always show up right after hesitation. Some people hesitate because they wonder if this is enough or future-proof. That doubt usually comes from settling too long with something that wasn't quite right. Headroom isn't waste, it's peace of mind for your daily use. The surprise benefit? It doesn't just run games or tasks, it keeps it cool, quiet, composed, and unfazed even under real-world loads. You feel fluid responsiveness instantly. Everything stays smooth under pressure. Work and play flow without pause. Multitasking feels natural again. You stop thinking about performance limits. It's not a flagship powerhouse, and if you're used to bleeding-edge performance you'll notice that difference. And yes, once you feel what smooth feels like, anything weaker starts feeling frustrating fast. At some point, comparison loops don't help anymore. You already know which experience you keep going back to in your mind. Don't let this upgrade sit in the later pile only to become another regret. If it's available right now, trust that instinct. Choose the system that finally feels like it's built to keep up with how you actually use your time.